morning, students. Today we will discuss some practical problems based on set. Problems related to the cardinal number of the sets. Here I have taken one question of exercise 1.4, question number 2. If x and y are two sets such that x has 21 elements and y has 32 elements and x intersection y has 11 elements, then how many elements does X union Y have? So write the given things. X has 21 elements. It means cardinal number of X is 21. Y has 32 elements. Cardinal number of set Y is 32. And cardinal number of their intersection, X intersection Y, has 11 elements. And we have to find cardinal number of X union Y. So we know the formula X union Y is equal to Nx plus Ny minus N X intersection Y. Nx is 21, Ny 32, X intersection Y 11. Add it 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 53 minus 11. 3 minus 1, 2, 5 minus 1, 4. So cardinal number of X union Y is 42. Using this relation, we can find X union Y. So it was question number 2 of exercise 1.4. Now we will see question number 3. See question number 3. In this question, cardinal number of set A is 20, N B 18, N A intersection B 5. We have to find first part N A union B, N A minus B, N B minus B. So first part N A union B. What is the formula? N A plus N B minus N A intersection. Formula for N A union B is N A plus N B minus N A intersection B. Put the value of N A 20, N B 18, N A intersection B 5. 20 plus 18, 38 minus 5, 33. This is first part answer. Second part, N A minus B. N A minus B, we know that it is N A minus N A intersection. N A minus B means N A minus N A intersection B. N A is 20, intersection B is 5, 20 minus 5, so 15. And third, N B minus A. So N B minus A means N B minus N A intersection B. From the set B, we will subtract the cardinal number of intersection A intersection B. N B is 18. N A intersection B 5. 18 minus 5. So it is 13. So N A union B 33. A minus B 15. And B minus A is 13. So in this way we can do the problem based on cardinal number. Let us see some more questions. See question number 5. In this question, N A minus B is equal to 5, N B minus A is equal to 3 and N A intersection B is equal to 10. We have to find first part N A union B, second N A, third N B. We know that this is the set A and this one set B. This region is A intersection B. This part A minus B and this is B minus A. So what will be A union B? A union B, cardinal number of cardinal number of A union B, we can write n A minus B plus n A intersection B plus n B minus A. n A minus B means this region. n A intersection B common region and n B minus A is part. So sum of these three regions, all these three are disjoint sets, we will get n A union B. n A minus B is given 5, n A intersection B 10 and n B minus A is 3. So total 18. n A union B is 18. Second, n A. We know that, right, since n A minus B is n A minus n A intersection, n A minus B is equal to n A minus n A intersection B. n A minus B value given 5. We have to find n A. n A intersection B is 10. Transpose minus 10 left side. So 10 plus 5, it is n A. So n A is equal to 15. It is second part. Similarly, we can do the third one, n B. So third part, since n B minus A, we write n B minus n A intersection. n B minus A is 3. n B we have to find. n A intersection B is 10. Transpose 10 left side. 3 plus 10. So n B is equal to 13. Therefore n B is equal to 30. So n A union B, n A, n B is 30. Now we will see next question, question number 7. See question number 7. Here cardinal number of universal set is 48. Cardinal number of A dash union B dash 36. We have to find cardinal number of A intersection B. So before solving this problem, we have to know about the De Morgan's law. A intersection B complement, it is A dash union B dash, and A union B complement, we write it A dash intersection B dash. This law is known as De Morgan's law. So we will apply this in this question. De Morgan's law is what? A intersection B complement. We will take A dash, intersection will become union, then B dash. And here A union B dash, so we will write A dash, union will become intersection B dash. So first one we have to apply in this question. So n A union B complement. How we will find n A union B complement? No, not union, intersection. A intersection B complement. So we will write cardinal number of universal set minus n A intersection B. Complement A intersection B complement cardinal number will be equal to cardinal number of universal set minus cardinal number of A intersection B. By De Morgan's law, A intersection B complement is A dash union B dash. So we will write n A dash union B dash. This value is given 48 minus n A intersection n A dash union B dash, it is given 36. Right, 36 is equal to 48 minus n A intersection B. Transpose n A intersection B left side and 36 right side. 48 minus 36. 8 minus 6 2, 4 minus 3 1, 12. So in this problem we have to apply De Morgan's law. So these two relation is called De Morgan's law. A intersection B complement is A dash union B dash, and union A union B complement A dash intersection B dash. So this was question number 7. Now we will see question number 10. See question number 10. Cardinal number of universal set is given 50. Cardinal number of set A 30, NB 28. We have to find the greatest value of cardinal number of A union B and the least value of cardinal number of A intersection B. We know that every set is subset of universal set. So we can write, since A union B is the subset of universal set. A union B is the subset of universal set. So cardinal number of A union B cannot be greater than cardinal number of universal set. Remember here, A union B, it is the subset of universal set. So cardinal number of A union B cannot be more than the cardinal number of universal set. So therefore we can write n A union B, it will be less or equal to cardinal number of universal set. It may be less than the cardinal number of universal set or equal to the cardinal number of universal set. But we have to find greatest value. So n A union B less or equal to cardinal number of universal set is 50. So what will be greatest value of n A union B? Equal to 50. So therefore greatest value of n A union B, it is equal to 50. Greatest value will be 50, it may be less than 50. So greatest value is 50 only. Now we have to do the second part, least value of n A intersection B. So since for second part, since cardinal number of A union B, it is less or equal to 50. From here we can write n A union B less or equal to 50. What is the formula for n A union B? n A plus n B minus n A intersection B. It will be less or equal to 50. n A union B is n A plus n B minus n A intersection B. It will be less or equal to 50. Value of n A given 30, right here. 30, n B 28 minus n A intersection B less or equal to 50. So add it. 30 plus 28, 58 minus n A intersection B less or equal to 50. So we will transpose 50 left side and n A intersection B right side. 58 minus 50 is equal to less or equal to n A intersection B. 58 minus 58 less or equal to n A intersection B. So 8 less or equal to n A intersection B. It means n A intersection B, it is greater or equal to 8. 8 less or equal to n A intersection B. So n A intersection B will be greater or equal to 8. So what will be the least value? Least value will be equal to 8. So therefore least value of n A intersection B, it will be 8. Least value of n A intersection B is equal to 8, and greatest value, it will be equal to the cardinal number of universal set, that is 50. So it was question number 10. Now we will discuss question number 12. See question number 12. In a class of 60 students, it is the total number of students. 25 students play cricket, 20 students play tennis, and 10 students play both the games. Find the number of students who play none of the both games, who play neither. Means what we have to find? How many students are there who play none of the two games? So for this question, we will use Venn diagram. This is the rectangle for universal set, means total number of students. One circle for cricket, another circle for tennis. So we will write, let it is total students, C students who play cricket, and T represents the students who play tennis. C represents the number of students who play cricket, and T represents those students who play tennis. So this circle is for cricket and the second circle for tennis. It is the intersection region. C intersection T. So how many students are playing both the games? Students play both the games 10. So we can write here 10. 25 students play cricket. So 10 is already written. So 25 minus 10 we will write here 15. 20 students play tennis. 10 already written. So 20 minus 10, 10. And total student is 60. So 15 plus 10 plus 10. 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 50, 35. Total students is 60. So how many students are there who do not play any game? So 60 minus 35 means 25. So what will be answer? 25. But using formula we can do it. We have to find number of C dash intersection T dash who play none of the game. Means using De Morgan's law, we can write C union T complement by De Morgan's law. And how we will find C union T complement? Universal set minus cardinal number of C union T. Universal set number is 60. N C union T means 15 plus 10 plus 10. So 60 minus 35. 25 students are there who play neither game. So in this way we can do the question number 12. I have taken 4 or 5 questions. I hope that it is clear to you. Rest question we will discuss in the next video.